Okay, well, good afternoon from sunny Netherlands and blue sky and a very nice Honda CBX1000Z, the CB1, the most wanted model. This one is not yet on the website. It came in last week and it's in very good original condition with a 4.2 exhaust on it. 34,236 kilometers only. Original seat still on it. And well, ready for a new owner. So let's hear it. And the engine is very quiet. You always hear a CBX a bit, but this one is really very quiet. Clutch is very light. One of my favorite bikes, the CBX. I always tell people when you ride it, you want it, I'm sure. And prices only go up. A real collector's bike. And they come to life at around 7,000–8,000 RPM. Then they're screaming like a Formula 1 car. And when the bike is rolling, you don't even think it's a heavy bike or whatever, it's just handling perfect. So if you are interested in a CBX, I think this is a very nice one. And the sound is beautiful. So, if you're interested in this CB1, you can visit us in the Netherlands. You can schedule a video call. We can start up the bike and show you everything. And we ship worldwide, as you know. So we can do that in most cases for a good price. So don't hesitate to call us. And if you like the video, please subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us. Thank you.